Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SM LED TV servicing point. I will show the 43-inch LED TV repair. Firstly, I am showing this TV's problem. I press the power button. TV on. As you can see this problem, in panel no graphics, backlight 100% okay. So firstly open the back cover and measure the voltages, DC to DC IC voltages. This is a LG panel, LG company, and full HD panel. You can see this FHD. This panel resolution 1920 by 1080. So firstly check the DC to DC IC properly worked or not, VGH or VGL voltages on TV, and firstly measure VGH. This is my VGH point. The VGH point, VGH voltage 0 voltage, no VGH present. And then measure the VGL voltage. VGL voltage not present. Then firstly work left side FFC cable and right side FFC cable. Open and then check VGH or VGL voltage present or not present. I can stand by power and measure the VGH voltage. VGH voltage 25 volt. These are accurate voltage, and VGL voltage -5. This is 100% accurately present voltage. So I do left side FFC cable plug in and then voltage check VGH or VGL. VGH voltage are perfectly okay and VGL voltage perfectly okay. This LED TV's problem and right side CKV line. You can see this CLK1, CLK2, CLK3, CLK4, and I will block the CKV line CLK1, CLK2, CLK3, CLK4 and CLK5. I used gum tape perfectly blocking the CKV line CLK1, CLK2, CLK3, CLK5 and CLK6. And plug in the FFC. Then checking the voltage VGH or VGL present or not present. Yes, my voltage VGH voltage and VGH voltage are perfectly working DC to DC IC. So now I will see the screen present condition. So cool. You see this, my TV is perfectly works done. This TV has perfectly picture graphics 100% okay. Now So this LED TV's problem, right side CKV line, panel short. I will block the CKV line. So this is LED TV's this problem or solution. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel to get such videos. Thank you.